With many analysts expecting gold to have a breakout year in 2018, how does Pierre Lassonde see it? He is the chairman of Franco-Nevada and honestly one of the gurus in our industry. So Pierre, welcome back to the show.
I think I'm a guru only because of my age.
No, because I feel you really tell it like it is.
I've always done that.
So and I appreciate that, and I know our viewers appreciate that. So what do you think when you hear this talk of, this is gold's year?
I don't think so. I think that gold is going to do, it's doing well. I mean, at $1,300 gold, the mining companies, the operators are doing very well. You can see their balance sheets are better than ever. And they have learned their lesson. They're focusing on margin. They're focusing on returning to shareholders. So they're doing well. But if you look at the investors, they don't want to hear about it.
So why do you think we're seeing this disinterest? Why have people backed away?
Because, well, first of all, the gold price hasn't, if you look at $1,300 gold, it was there in 2011. Okay, so essentially for 7 years, the gold price has been up and down $100. So there is just disinterest, okay? Like it's not going anywhere. And in the same time, you've had the cryptocurrencies that have come up and captured attention. Now in Canada, we got cannabis, okay, which is like the big new market. And those are the headline grabbing, where people are going to go.
It's interesting you bring up the cryptocurrencies because other people would say, no, it's not true that they've stolen gold's thunder. It's not the new gold. So how do you view it? Is it here to stay, this crypto craze?
Well, cryptocurrency, it's a mathematical equation in space. Unplug your computer, tell me what it's worth. Nothing, okay? So, but it arrived at a time where there was no excitement and it created excitement. So did it steal the thunder? No, but it created excitement, which we don't have in the gold business.
And you know what's interesting on the mining side, Pierre, we have some companies that have performed extremely well in 2017, and then the other side.
Yeah, you've got 3 companies that have what I call the golden halo, and it gets passed around in the industry. So right now, Franco-Nevada, Newmont, and Agnico Eagle are probably the 3 companies that have the golden halo. And then you have a dozen companies, which I don't know if I should name or not, but where investors have lost anywhere from 20 to 50% of their value, and the investors are saying like enough is enough. Like I don't want to hear about all that.
No,
stuff.
And we can absolutely name them, so we're open here. We could talk about it.
Well, it's very public. Yes. I mean, the Tao, and then the Thorax because of the strikes, and then the TMAC issues and the Acacia issues.
So investors feel burned by this. So
totally burned.
How can the industry turn it around here? Can they?
Well, as I said, the industry itself is doing, the producers, the Newmont, they're doing really well. And what's not doing well is that whole segment below that have had disasters and whatever. And what's going to bring back the investors? Much higher gold prices. You got to put excitement back in the business.
Why isn't gold, with the geopolitical tensions we've been seeing, the Bitcoin aspect aside, we didn't see investors buy into gold as a safe haven when they perhaps should have, right? Like, do you think gold is still having that safe haven appeal?
It does, but at $1,300 gold, I will argue that gold is well priced. It's not overpriced and it's not underpriced. It's where it should be given everything else that's going on in the world.
Is anything exciting you right now? Do you like cobalt? There's a lot of talk of zinc. Anything you're really liking right now?
I still like gold and copper. I mean, I think copper is definitely the metal. It's the metal of today, and it's also the metal of the future, because everything we do has involved electricity, and you're going to need more copper for that. So I love copper, and I love copper gold deposits because it gives you both. And gold will always be there.
Pierre Lassonde, thank you so much for your thoughts.
My pleasure.
And thank you for watching. We'll have much more for you from the BMO conference here in Florida. Thanks for watching.